Welcome back to the 1-3-star exam result. Here we cover 3 different stages with the best recommended time ranges given. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get down to business. Intermediate, so the cross edges are here, 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 and here. Not a big deal to preserve this pair. I'm just gonna do it like so. A piece of cake. Up to this point, I've got 2 ways to go. It's either wanna pair up this pair and then proceed with this pair, or directly go for this pair. Will award you with a free pair anyway. The last 2 pair are just straightforward. Nothing too fancy. We could cancel into it all. And this case will be a skip, where I've got, so these 2 matching, these 2 opposite, it's a sign for EPL. And you got these 2 matching, these 3 matching, which means that you got a bar right here, a green full bar, and basically this case will be a skip. Okay, moving on to the advanced solution. So if you're observing more attentively, you realize something pretty fantastic, and that is when we pair the blue to the center, actually got this pair pops out. So it's a matter on how do we preserve them both. So the best way I could think of is to attach this one, finish off like that. So I got this pair preserved, although it's not on top layer, but then it's still preserved in its original formation, where I got a pair here. So now I just gotta kick it out, insert it back in, and all of this could be done simultaneously. These 2 multi-slotting, kind of like that. So this pair and this pair sort of multi-slotting, cancel into it all if you want to. Atom. Alright, so fabulous. Last of all, the master level solution. Apparently, there is a significant feature for the X-cross. During the intermediate as well as the advanced solution, I went for the preservation, which I thought it is much easier to be discerned anyhow. But then as a master solution solver, I'll affirmatively prioritize going for an X-cross solution, which we gotta think out of the box, we gotta think flexibly. Ideally, you want to create a block right here while solving these 2, which means that you cannot just directly solve this one to the bottom somehow. So I'll actually go for the cancellation, which sets up this one perfectly to be inserted. Well, the X-cross is done elegantly, but then I've come to a situation, a struggling decisive scenario, where I've got 3 options to go for. So I've got to go for the best, the most ideal way that would flow into the F12 very well. And yeah, so I've got to put up few consideration here, few aspects, as in the look ahead, orientation, rotation, move count, and more to go. So yeah, so facing from this angle, I've got only 1 pair that can be solved rotationlessly, and these 2 are not oriented in this angle, which means that after solving these 2, we have got to rotate most likely. And to be speaking frankly, I can't really track these two easily in this angle, so I guess it's best to go for a rotation, knowing the fact that after rotating, these 2 will be oriented instantly, and then they could cancel flawlessly, like so. Fortunately, we got this pair pops out here as a free pair. Yeah, that's pretty lucky, you know. Before inserting this pair, I've got 3 bars here, 1, 2, 3. So these 2 are gonna attach together, end up here, and this is gonna stay as it is. With all this information, I could reduce the possibility down to one specific all, and I'm trying to name it, but I can't. So yeah, blocks here, dot, bar. I'm trying to convey, but you know what I'm saying. I just can't name it. Alright, so you got, yeah, okay. Yep, as Ray predicted. So, you could go for this way, which would have been definitely EPL, but then in this scenario, it's gonna be Z perm, which I mean, I don't actually like that though. But then going forward, this one leaves you with an adjacent, but then we're still uncertain about which adjacent it is. Is it gonna be F perm? That's gonna be suck. So I guess let's not push our luck. Let's not risk it. We just go for the safer way. I mean, the difference is actually trivial. Anyway, the time deviation is just gonna be it's just gonna be 0.23 seconds, something like that. So I guess it's just a trivial matter, not care about it. Okay, so yeah, that's a wraps of the video, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. So peace out.